How to make money as a cryptocurrency miner. Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the digital gold rush of the 21st century. Cryptocurrency mining. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about understanding a transformative technology, the blockchain, and becoming a part of it. So, fasten your seatbelts as we unravel the secret formula of making money as a cryptocurrency miner. Understanding cryptocurrency mining. Before we start making money, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrency mining is. Cryptocurrency mining is the process by which new digital coins are entered into circulation, but it's also a critical component of the maintenance and development of the blockchain ledger. It involves compiling recent transactions into blocks and trying to solve a computationally difficult puzzle. The miner who first solves the puzzle gets to place the next block on the blockchain and claim the rewards. It's like being the accountant of the crypto world, with the ledger being the blockchain, transactions being the entries, and your reward being new shiny digital coins. Currently, Bitcoin uses the proof-of-work model, which is computationally intensive, while Ethereum is moving towards proof-of-stake, which reduces the energy usage. How to start mining exciting, isn't it? Now let's talk about getting your hands dirty, or rather, your computers. To start mining, you first need to choose your cryptocurrency. Bitcoin may be the most famous, but there are over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies, some of which might be more profitable to mine depending on your circumstances. After that, you'll need mining hardware. This can range from a simple CPU, but most miners use powerful GPU or ASIC hardware specifically designed for mining. Remember, more powerful hardware means more electricity consumption, so always consider your electricity costs. Next, select your mining software. There are numerous free and paid options available, each with their own pros and cons. Most importantly, it must be compatible with your hardware and the cryptocurrency you wish to mine. Finally, you'll need a digital wallet to store your hard-earned crypto. Keep in mind the security features offered by the wallet, as safety is paramount in the crypto world. Making money. Now, the part you've been waiting for, making money. The profitability of mining depends on several factors: the current price of the cryptocurrency, the block reward, the mining difficulty, and your operating costs, most notably electricity. Mining difficulty is a measure of how hard it is to mine a new block, and it generally increases as more miners join the network. Your primary income as a miner will be the block rewards and the transaction fees. However, these can vary greatly. For instance, Bitcoin's reward halves every 4 years, an event known as halving. Currently, in 2023, the block reward for Bitcoin is 6.25 BTC. But the most crucial factor is your operational efficiency. The price of electricity can make or break your mining endeavor. Countries like Iceland, where electricity is cheap and cooling is free, have become hotspots for mining farms. Another way to increase your profitability is to join a mining pool. This is where multiple miners pool their resources and share the rewards. The upside is more consistent returns, but you will have to share your rewards with others. But remember, the most successful miners are those who see it as a long-term investment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. The price of cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, but those who hold on to their coins during low periods can often see significant returns in the long run. Factors affecting mining profitability. To become a successful cryptocurrency miner, it's essential to understand the many factors that can affect your mining profitability. We've already mentioned several of these, including the price of the cryptocurrency, the block reward, the mining difficulty, and electricity costs. But there are others. Hardware costs, for instance, can be substantial, especially if you're investing in high-end GPUs or ASICs. You also need to consider the lifespan of this hardware and the potential need for replacements or upgrades. Internet speed is another factor. A stable and fast connection is crucial for quickly submitting your mined blocks and earning your rewards. Lastly, consider your location's ambient temperature. Cooling equipment can be a significant cost if you live in a hot climate, as overheating can damage your mining hardware. Risks in cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining can be profitable, but it's not without risks. The most significant risk is the volatility of cryptocurrency prices. A sudden drop in price can significantly impact your profits, and may even make mining unprofitable. Another risk is regulatory changes. Governments around the world have varied stances on cryptocurrencies. Any changes in regulations or outright bans can affect your mining operations. Technical risks, such as hardware or software failures, power outages, or cyber attacks, can also disrupt your mining operations. Regular maintenance and robust cybersecurity measures are crucial. Optimizing your mining setup. Now let's talk about how you can optimize your mining setup. First, you need to choose the right hardware. GPUs are versatile and can mine different cryptocurrencies, while ASICs are more efficient but limited to specific coins. Next, pay close attention to your electricity usage. High electricity costs can eat into your profits. Try to use energy-efficient hardware and consider renewable energy sources if possible. Cooling is another critical factor. Ensure your mining rig has sufficient cooling to prevent overheating. Consider the placement of your rig to improve airflow. Lastly, keep an eye on the crypto market and be ready to switch to more profitable coins if necessary. Stay updated with the latest news, as it can significantly impact the crypto market, and that, folks, is your blueprint to making money as a cryptocurrency miner. Remember, it's not a surefire way to wealth. It requires significant initial investment, continuous learning, and adaptability. But with patience and strategic planning, you can turn cryptocurrency mining into a profitable venture. With the knowledge we provided today, we hope that you're feeling more confident about starting your cryptocurrency mining journey. However, the rewards can be substantial, both financially and in terms of becoming a part of the revolutionary blockchain technology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the crypto world. And always feel free to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, this is Wealth Wizzards, bridging the gap between you and the crypto universe. Happy mining! Disclaimer. The information and opinions expressed in this YouTube video are for informational and educational purposes only, and do not constitute financial, investment, or professional advice. The creator and/or host of this video is not a financial advisor or professional. The content presented should not be considered financial, investment, tax, legal, or other professional advice. Always consult a qualified financial professional before making any financial decisions. Thanks for watching Wealth Wizzards. Please consider subscribing.